Hey, it's Mike, and I'd like to talk about Materialize NV. This stock trades on the NASDAQ on the symbol MTLS. This stock was up over 5%, up to $80.62. Materialize NV did hit its 52-week high at $85 a share before pulling back down at the end of the session. Now, if you look at the 6-month chart, this 6-month chart is looking really strong here. And you see now that it's breaking out, I think there's a potential for Materialize to move much higher and hit the $100 a share mark pretty soon. So the company's involved in 3D printing. They've been around for over 30 years. They have a big presence when it comes to medical 3D software and services. So, for instance, doctors or surgeons who want to pre-plan for a surgery can create like a 3D model on the patient's, part of the anatomy that they're going to operate on. They can create, anatomical models, personalized implants, personalized guides. So even more than a lot of other 3D printer companies that are out there, this company has been around for a while and they already have products and services, which means they have good cash flow coming in. This is a company with a market cap of $4.29 billion. Now, you take all of that, this is a really solid company. It's been around for a while. It's got an established presence in manufacturing and medical sectors. But I think what's really going to drive Materialize NV higher is that we're going to see a lot of business come in with the entire 3D printing sector. I've talked about how Nano Dimensions and 3D Systems is going to lead the sector, but I think it's going to pull up these other 3D printing stocks, the lesser known 3D printer stocks like Materialize NV higher. So if you're looking to take advantage of a stock that could rise pretty quickly, especially a stock that's hit a new 52-week high in an overall strong market and in a sector that's probably going to explode higher in 2021, definitely keep Materialize NV on your radar. Like I said, now that's hit a new 52-week high, chances are this stock more than other 3D printer stocks is going to move higher. I could definitely see the stock hitting $100 sometime this year, maybe make a run at 120. So definitely check it out. Again, trades on the NASDAQ on the symbol MTLS. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.